Hello, my name is Anna Wolverton, and I'm a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Jackson. And I'm here to give this special weather briefing on Tropical Storm Barry. For now, the confidence is now high in the track of Barry, and the main impacts to our area remain to be heavy rainfall and flash flooding, followed by tornadoes and then tropical storm force winds. Here's the latest track map from the National Hurricane Center. Not much has changed in the track or intensity. Barry is set to make landfall as a hurricane Saturday morning and then track northward through central Louisiana and northward into Arkansas. The main impacts to our area will be heavy rainfall, which will result in flash flooding, followed by severe storms, tornadoes, and damaging winds. And then there also remains some potential for tropical storm force winds in our far southwest counties and parishes. Here's the threat levels for our area. In the tropical storm force winds, the threat level remains low, but the rainfall and flooding is, the threat level is high, borderline extreme. The tornado threat level is a little higher than the winds, but still remains low at this time. And overall forecast confidence is increasing in this track and overall impacts expected with Barry. Here's the current satellite view of Tropical Storm Barry. It's currently located due south of New Orleans in the northern Gulf. It's slowly becoming more organized and is strengthening today. There are already rain bands moving onshore and will affect large parts of Mississippi today. Here's the forecast rainfall totals we have right now for our area. There's a large area of 4 to 6 inches of rainfall with a more focused area of 6 to 8, and then even more focused area here in far southern Mississippi near Brookhaven and Macomb of rainfall amounts of 8 to 10 plus inches of rainfall expected. Now here's our flash flooding threat, and it gives some better ranges that the rainfall could fall in. We are expecting flash flooding with this event and possibly some significant flash flooding as well. The timing for this event really extends from Saturday, this says through Sunday night, but it will really extend into Monday and quite possibly through Tuesday as well. So here in the significant threat area, in this red area down in South Mississippi and eastern Louisiana, between 7 to 12 inches of widespread rainfall is possible with isolated amounts of 15 inches or more. These areas down here could see isolated amounts as high as 20 inches really. But again, widespread 7 to 12 inches are possible. And that much rain is likely to result in flash flooding with numerous roads flooded, closed, washed out, water rescues possible. So people in these areas need to be prepared for those kind of rainfalls. In the elevated threat area, 4 to 8 inches of rain is possible with isolated amounts of 10 inches or more, 10 to 12 inches or more really. So this widespread 4 to 8 inches could result in flash flooding with, again, roads closed, possibly structures underwater as well. So those areas need to prepare for that. In this limited threat area in Morehouse, Parrish, Chico, and Ashley counties in Arkansas, between 2 to 5 inches of rain is possible with isolated higher amounts. Here's the tornado potential with Tropical Storm Barry. So today we already have the rain bands moving onshore, but the marginal threat for isolated storms really doesn't begin until tonight. And really today, the only impacts will be in southern Mississippi and may clip parts of Forest County and Lamar counties today. The threat will expand northward tomorrow as Barry makes landfall. And really the risk will increase tomorrow afternoon and continue through Sunday as Barry moves inland and northward. The wind threat for Tropical Storm Barry, as it moves inland, it may clip parts of our area down here in Catahoula, Concordia parishes, and these areas in this limited threat area could see winds as high as 20 to 35 miles an hour sustained wind gusts, with really 40 to 50 mile an hour gusts possible. This will result in downed trees and power lines. Power outages could last between 1 to 2 days. And the timing will continue to be honed in, but the main timing for these winds will really be late Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. And here's the most likely time of arrival for those tropical storm force winds, moving in really late Saturday morning and then spreading northward during the day. And that's all we expect for our area. Those are all the main risks that we expect. This is just a slide to rehash all of those risks. So if you guys have any questions or comments, you are more than welcome to call us at the number on this slide, or you can contact us on Facebook or Twitter at NWS Jackson MS. Thank you, and we hope everybody stays safe.